Repairable atomizers are great, but they may be such a pain in the neck sometimes, especially if you have large fingers, since everything is so damn tiny. Like this established and quite expensive brand has the coil holding bolts too close to each other, which makes coil alignment difficult and may result in short circuit. However, there is an easy way to fix that. First, install a coil. This is important since screws with and without coil will be facing different directions when tightened, and mark 2 dots on the screw heads facing each other. Now you'll need a metal file or saw, and better yet, a Dremel. Screw the bolts into a piece of wood and fitting the instrument with the cutting disc, cut the metal at the marked spots until you reach the threading. Cut right through the wood for added comfort. Next time you install the coil, just fit its ends into the slots in the screw heads where the metal is now removed. This separates the coil ends much further, making it almost impossible to short circuit. If you switch to coil wire of another diameter, the slots will be facing slightly different directions than with the original wire you installed while making the markings. That is normal.